Ever felt like Brick here, wanting to shine but held back by self-doubt? Well, you're in luck. Today we're uncovering 5 Lego-inspired life hacks to boost your confidence. Let's build a more confident you brick by brick. Ready? Let's dive in! First up, let's talk about the power pose. Studies show that standing tall can trick your brain into feeling more confident. See? Instant confidence boost. Try it before your next challenge. Fear of rejection holding you back? Flip the script by setting rejection goals. Aim to get a few no's. It's a numbers game. Each no brings you closer to a yes. Embrace it! Made a mistake? Instead of harsh self-criticism, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself as you would a friend. Remember, everyone stumbles. It's how you get back up that counts. Engage in activities you love. Doing what you're good at boosts self-esteem and confidence. Passion fuels confidence. Find your joy and dive in. Visualization is a powerful tool. Picture your success vividly to boost confidence. If you can see it, you can achieve it. There you have it, 5 Lego-style life hacks to build your confidence. Remember, confidence isn't about never falling. It's about rising every time you do. Subscribe and join us next time for more adventures in our Lego world.